Here's my Lakewood P-21 fan. Unfortunately, the motor actually almost caught on fire on this fan. I had unplugged it from the extension cord to plug in the vacuum cleaner in here. When I plugged it back in, there was smoke and sparks coming from the motor. I'll take a look inside the motor now and see what it looks like. I'll probably take this into the workshop and actually disassemble it so I can see more closely. It's kind of dirty, although not terribly so. But all these windings just look cooked. I vacuumed this out, well, whenever I last made the video of this, and I oiled it. I don't know. I mean, it's got a fair amount of dust in there, so but wouldn't think that just dust alone would cause such a complete failure of this motor. Some of these windings just look really burnt. Now I will admit that sometimes this fan would stay on constantly. It's on a timer, but here's the timer over here, and this controls the relay for the air conditioner and the fan too. Sometimes I would put this on the constant on position and just leave it on, so sometimes it would end up being on constantly, but it just really dramatically failed all of a sudden somehow after being unplugged and then plugged back in. So I'm not gonna pitch it out or anything. I'll just keep it and see if I can find another motor or retrofit some other kind of motor into it. But this was one of my favorites, and it's sad to see that it just quit. But I'll eventually get it repaired somehow.